guys, October 28th, 2020. This one here I got a call for a gas boiler. The pilot's on, but it's not heating the house. So it might be a draft damp, it might be a control, maybe a bad circulator, something like that. For some reason it's not heating the house. And I've been here before. I know it's an old Wow McLean gas boiler. And I have worked on it before. Not the greatest setup in the world, but I think it's a Wow. No, I don't know if it's a Wow McLean. I think it's we'll have to see when we get there what it is. But so that's the story. It's got no heat, and it's getting a little chilly out, so you can't be without heat now. We're gonna drop over the weekend. Gonna get down, you know, cold enough to snow around here. So we'll try to get you some shots. Ooh, a new sweater? Oh yeah, you love sweaters. You love sweaters. You love sweaters. Miss Molly.
2 miles. Turn left on Route 140 North.
Okay, T7F. It's disconnected, but it's open, so I don't have a problem with that. Circulator's running. You can hear it. Pilot is barely on. This is on. HB Smith. It's a Smith, not a Wow McLean, sorry. It's calling. Let's see if we got any power going to the burner. There is a little. I don't know where those wires go. Something's loose there. That's the main power coming in. Isn't that odd? That's the TT coming in. That's the TT wire. Something's weird. See this? This is the TT. That's the one that seemed to be. Oh, look at that. Son of a bitch. There's no speed connection. They just got it stuck in there. What a flippin' hack that is. You see that? It's just stuck in there. Could have a speed connection on it. Doesn't even have... Look at this shit. Wires going through there. What a flippin' hack job. Believable. I'm flippin' believable, guy. Let's see if we can shut this thing off. Look at this. It's just stuck in the flippin' hole. There's something, huh? I got the power off. Not even connected. Wow, that's pretty bad. Now they do make a special connector for that. Let's see if I have one. Put a regular connector on there, I mean. It makes sense, right? Have something on it that's gonna work. Holy shit, man. should work now. I'll get this, I'll put this on there too. We should have some kind of protection for the wires going through, right? What do you think? Ridiculous. Some kind of protection for the wires. Alright, so I got that on there now, like that. And I got this in here. And that should do it. Make sure that the neutral is tight. L1, L2. The power's off still on this one. That was kind of loose. Look at that, flipping loose as a goose, mama. Circulator was working, so try it again. It should fire right up now. Houston, we have ignition. Oh, that's crazy. Got this thing at 200. I don't know why it's so high. I'll put that down to 180, the high limit. It doesn't have to be so high. I didn't do that control, so I don't know. Yeehaw! You never know what you're gonna find out there in the field. You never know. Alright, so last time I was here was in 16, 4 years ago. Replaced thermocouple, clean burners, reset burners, reset gas pressure combustion test, drained expansion tank. It's an old expansion tank there. Look at this old beast. This is an old Mills conversion burner. That's okay. Feed is not stuck. It's a 0010. So it doesn't, the rollout, none of the rollout switches and nothing is even hooked up. So it's running. 125, well that's a big unit. Alright, new speed connector for gas wire feed. It's starting to warm up, so we'll be fine. It'll take a while because it's got a big volume system. Looks like 2.5 inch pipe. Two and a half inch, and it goes to 2. Old-fashioned radiators upstairs.